Want to bring your Minecraft world directly into Minimator? In this video, I will show you how to import both your own world and ready-made structures. First, we need a Minecraft world to import into Minimator. For this tutorial, I am using T-Launcher. Open Minecraft. Make sure you are using right version. I use Optifine 26.1 and I just click on enter the Minecraft. Now we create a new Minecraft world. So just click on create new world and here we preparing for new world. I click on creative and give a name. New world is good. So create new world. Entering is loading now. So new world is generated. I just render the world by moving somewhere. Just here generate the world perfectly. I want to just import this area. You can build whatever you want here. For this tutorial, I will keep it simple. Now, let's open Minimeter to import a world or structure. We are going to this workbench. It look like a crafting table. Open the workbench and you will find the import option. Here is the scenery and just click on import from world. Here is the interface come and go to the world and select new world. What is whatever your world name, and here we go. As you see, here is the world which I make. Now just click and drag your mouse. As you see, making a box and just select the area whatever you want to import in Minimator. I just import this section, so click on import section and now just on click on create and here we go. Our Minecraft world is now inside Minimator. Now you can use this environment to create our animation instead of building the entire scene from scratch. I just show you the other option. Go to the just import and the world and again click on new world. Wait for loading. Here is the many settings. Click if you go to setting and enable block filter. You will see a list of many of them. If you want to remove anything from this world, like I want to remove water, so I just click water and here click on arrow uh, and cross. So again you will see and then you will see water is removed in this scenery. And if you want to keep, so go to here and just click on this arrow. And if you want to only keep this water, so click on here and again world will load and only water will remain. This is the best option if you want to make something new. If you want to nether dimension or end dimension, you can, but I don't go nether. So here there is not option of nether and end dimension. If you go and check out end dimension and nether, you will see. And other option is go to the browse file. If you have your file world file, so go to the this and click on level and open. So there is an issue of loading the world correct because of version of Minecraft. Not a big deal. Just I open this and go to the level and click. So here we go. This Minecraft world is open, and if you see water is not come because I use filter, so I just off this filter and water will come again. And also you don't want to always have to create everything yourself. Minimator also provides some free structure that you can import directly into your project. So let's import one of these. Select again, go to the scenery and click on browse. So here's the folder building on structure and nature. you will find pre-schematic like river, mountain and etc. I just click on river and open, and here we go. There is the river given by Minimeter. So now we have both our own Minecraft world and ready-made structure inside Minimeter. You can position their assets and character and cameras and start building your animation scene. And that's how you can import Minecraft world and structures into Minimator. If you learned something, make sure you like this video and hit subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.